Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Hina Imran and I hope everyone is doing well. I have this really nice website that brings a big outlook change into how we do quizzes online. It's fun, colorful and different, and best of all, caters from lower grade to higher grades. The first thing that we need to do is log in to QuizWhizzer.com. Alright, as soon as you log in, since I have already registered, I think you will need to register, but I have already logged in, so I will just go and log in and I will just sign in. Okay, I've already created 2 quizzes, but I'm going to show you how to make it first, and then I'm going to show you these quizzes. Okay, so this is your dashboard after you signed in. I have already been using QuizWhizzer, so I have games made for my class. Alright, as soon as you sign in, this is the dashboard that is going to come. These are the buttons that you will be working on a lot. Your game tab is basically where you store your saved games. These are the games that I have made. I'll just show you. So you need to copy this and paste it over here. And this is going to launch your game. You need to write your name. And it's going to take you to questions. These are the questions. This is a game board where you will be looking at your players move. So let's do it. How many sides does a square have? That's correct. That's correct. I'll go to the next question and it's going to show me that it's moving. Alright. I'm going to go to the next question again. What comes after 67? That's 8. And I'll roll the dice. And as soon as I press next question, it's going to take me to the game board and where it's going to show me that, my player is moving. Okay. Sam needs 10 balloons. That is 6. Correct. I'm going to move and I finished the race. So when you have a lot of students, in this, it's a really interesting game. Okay, now let's go back. You can view your result. And this is how, imagine if you have around 10 students and, they're all looking at the result simultaneously. So it's, fun. Okay, so now we are back on our board and now we need to make the game. So we are going to go to make a game. And you can either choose from the templates or you can design your own. I would say that you design your own, after a couple of quizzes when you have, a good hold of the editing options. Now you have so many options that you can take. They're very nice. I will choose this. All right. Now we need to create questions so that we can start making the game. So you have board, questions, settings, and quality. You can either have your spaces as square or circle. That's up to you. If you want it square, you can have it like this, but square is not that much fun. I think circles are pretty awesome. Okay, you can also delete it. You can, choose any color that you want. It's up to you. Let's take blue so it's visible. All right. Then we have player movement. How many steps do you want the player to move? You want them to move one space, or it should be random. Let's take it random. Okay, incorrect answers, move back. Do you want them to move back? Yes, you can do that. Let's do it one. All right, then we have default music and save. Okay, now we need to put the title. Okay, if you want to, you can give the description. The language is going to be English. We need to create a category. Let's take math. You have more options if you want it to be available for everyone, or if you want to, just you or somebody you want to share privately. It's up to you. Let's save it. Now let's move on to questions. You have the options of multiple choice questions. You have multiple responses, numerical answers, short answers, true and false, open-ended, drag and drop, and ordering. It's up to you what you want to put. Multiple questions are much easier for children. So I'll just take that. You can allot the time, and now you need to enter the question. So I'm catering to lower grades, so I'm going to, make the quiz so that I can use it in my next class. All right, so I need to put up a question. I will put the questions. How many sides does a square have? Now I have the option of putting an image, or you can embed your YouTube video, or you can record your own voice. I'll just go and click on image, and I can choose from the library that they have provided, or I can just go again and browse in my computer and pick up images that I've downloaded. So you have a picture. Okay, now we need to give the answer. We can give 5, 2, 4, 8. And the answer that is correct, we need to click on this. If you want to give an explanation, you can opt for this thing with a picture or YouTube, or you can record your own voice. Now we go on to another question, and it could be a true and false. I can write the question over here. Okay, so now I need to put a tick on true or false. All right, so whatever answer this question has, I'll be putting a tick on that. Okay, and if you need to explain something, you can explain it over here. I'll add another question. Okay, now I can probably take ordering, and I will write order the numbers. So 6. So it's up to you how many questions you want to put and in what order. Okay, since we've already done the settings, all these things in the beginning, we will go to quality score, and it's up to you if you want to choose another background, or you want to add spaces for player movement, or create questions, set game title, all these things. So save it, and voila, you have your new game. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to extract questions from already made templates and put it in your quizzes. So you're going to go to public games. There are thousands of templates that you can choose from. Let's take language, and I'll probably take this. This is a quiz that's already been made. So you have the option of taking all the questions from this quiz that's already been made by someone else and put it in your question bank, or you can take specific questions and put it in your bank. If you want to just add up all the questions, you just click on this, or if you want to go for some of the questions, then you just click on that particular question. It's going to give you a pop-up of this tab, and I have made folders. Like this folder is of a question bank, and this is specifically for English, so I'll just put it in English and OK and success. Okay, the question has been added. Or I can just take up all the questions and put it over here and OK. So now I'm going to go to question bank and click on this, and you have all the questions that are imported from other quizzes. All right, now how do you put these questions in your quiz? So you can either go to make a new game, or if you have already made a quiz, you can add on to those. So I will just go to the quizzes that I've already made, and I will go to edit, and I will go to questions, and I will go to add questions, and this arrow is the arrow that takes you to your question bank where you can import your questions. So you click on this and you go to my question bank, choose from here, and I can take this, I can take this, and I can take this, import. So now I have more questions in my quiz, and they're already done. You don't even have to do anything. Just click save. Let's try it. Okay, you have the option of live raise and homework. Homework is an individual task that you can share with your students. If you want to do it live on Zoom, you can do live raise over here. Click and then continue. Okay, now launch for 0 credits. This is multiple times and it's for 1 player. And if you want your students to participate, you can go for multiplayer and launch for 1 credit. You have 3 credits per month. All right, so you have 50 player limit. You have the option of randomized questions for each player, answer streak, power-ups, try again when answer incorrect, avatar collection. That's up to you. Avatar, you can browse it, and it's up to you. These are your avatars. So this is how you make your quiz, and feel free to make innovative ones. Thank you.